Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use WordPress for your freelance blog step by step clearly. First, visit wordpress.com to create an account. Click on the Start Your Website button. Fill in the required details such as your email address, username, and password. Choose whether to start with a free plan or select a paid plan for additional features. Once your account is created, you will be guided to select a domain name for your blog. Pick a domain that reflects your freelance niche and is easy to remember. Follow the prompts to finalize your domain selection. After selecting your domain, choose a theme that suits the style of your blog. Browse through the available themes and click on Activate for the one you prefer. Next, you'll enter the WordPress dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your blog content and settings. To create your first blog post, click on Posts in the left sidebar. Then, select Add New to start writing. In the post editor, enter your title in the designated section. Below the title, write your blog content in the main text area. You can format your text using the toolbar options for bold, italics, lists, and links. To add images, click on the Add Media button above the text editor. Upload images from your device or choose from your media library. After adding content, scroll down to set your featured image. This image represents your blog post when shared on social media. On the right sidebar, you can choose to assign categories and tags to your post. Categories help organize your content, while tags help improve searchability. When you're satisfied with your post, click the Publish button. Confirm the publication to make your post live for readers. To customize your blog further, select Appearance from the dashboard menu. Click on Customize to access various settings like site identity, colors, and menus. Adjust your site identity by uploading a logo or changing the site title. Add widgets by going to Appearance and then Widgets for extra functionality. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.